Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable the codes on your element. So in sales implementation, you can integrate with configure, price, and code to enhance the sell processes in an automated opportunity to code to order flow. So codes let your sales team members create professional proposal document for customer that include the current product and pricing information. So let's move to the application and see how to enable the codes and order on UI. So first we click on this navigator, click on sales. So in sales part, you can see that there is no any option, there is no any tab related to codes and order. So in this video, we are enabling it. So my first step is create a sandbox. So in order to create a sandbox, move to the down. In this configuration part, click on sandboxes. So let's create a sandbox. So click on this create sandbox button. Let's enter the name of this sandbox. So I'm going to enter BISP underscore codes. Now I'm selecting the tools. So I'm going to select application composer as well as structure. See. Now click on this create and enter. See, the sandbox gets created. Now let's click on this navigator again. Scroll down, go to the configuration part and click on this structure. See, in structure part, we have to click on this cells. So let's expand it. So in cells, there is so many options. So I'm going to select this order and see codes and order. Click on that. So in this edit page entry, we have to select show on navigator option, and let's click on this list and select yes to show on navigator, and again show on springboard. So I'm going to select yes on this option. So both options are enabled. Now click on save and close. So you can see the navigator and springboard options are enabled. Let's click on this navigator. Click on cells. See, in the option gets enabled, and click on this codes and order. So this is the landing page of quotes and orders. So there is no any data. So my last step is let's publish the sandbox. So click on this sandbox and click on this publish. Click yes. Let's refresh it. Click yes. It will take few seconds to refresh this sandbox. Now click on publish button. Click yes. So publishing in progress will take few seconds. The current status is publishing. Now the current status is published. Now this sandbox gets published. Click on done. So this is how you can enable the codes and order on the UI element. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.